replacing that with a Turner billet foot peg on my 2008 KTM XC. All you gotta do is pull your cotter pin, pull the washer, push the pin out. You might have to bang it out, so bang it out. Okay, so you pull that out. Here goes your spring clip. Then you just simply put that back in place and put your pin in a little bit, not too far, just to where it's not sticking out. Then you grab some pliers, bend your spring all the way. Be careful, it will fly away. And you stick it in. Stick it in, push your pin in, and you're done. Done. Looks good. Much better. Yeah.